How to change Messenger font style on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Messenger application, and here you can see the font. Now as you tap on the menu, there's no option to change the font over here. So what we can simply do is go back and launch the settings application of the device. As you do that, scroll down and tap on the option of display. Scroll down again, and here you can see the option of font. So as you tap on font, it will give us different options to change our font. So when you change the font of our system, of our phone, then the font of the Messenger also changes automatically. So we can just select the fonts over here. I'm gonna select. It also gives us a preview on how it would look. So if you like it, you can just download it and you can apply it. If not, you can go back and change it as well later on, and then we can now just go back and check it on our Messenger as well. So let's wait for a while until it loads us to the Messenger application. So let's load the Messenger application, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.